There is enough style and comfort in the 2025 Infiniti QX60 to compete with cars that aren't quite luxury, like the Acura MDX and the Buick Enclave. This three-row mid-size crossover is built on the Nissan Pathfinder, but it has a unique look on the outside that shows off Infiniti's curvy style. A turbocharged four-cylinder engine with 268 horsepower is under the hood. Front-wheel drive is normal, and all-wheel drive can be added as an option. The base trims don't seem to have much more comfort or equipment than the Nissan, but the more expensive cars have nicer features like quilted leather seats and leather upholstery. It's not fun to drive, and the ride can be stiff on the bigger 20-inch wheels. But if you don't care about having a good time while driving and live in a place with few bumps, the Infiniti's calm and quiet personality might appeal to you. Exterior. It gets a 268 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine from the QX50, instead of the 3.5-liter V6 engine that is in the QX60. The crossover has an automatic transmission that changes speeds all the time, but the QX60 still has its 9-speed automatic gearbox. The Luxe model, which is in the middle price range, comes with black 20-inch wheels, black roof rails, a black grille surround, and black exterior emblems. There are special door sill protection plates and a black headliner on the inside. The outside can be painted mineral black, majestic white, or harbor gray. The price of the 2025 Infiniti QX60 starts at $51,550 and goes up to $67,500 depending on the trim and options. Performance. There is a 268 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine in the QX60, and it comes with an automatic transmission with 9 speeds. You can get all-wheel drive if you want to, but the QX60 comes standard with front-wheel drive. When we first drove the 2022 QX60, it had a 3.5-liter V6 engine. We liked how smoothly the 9-speed automatic transmission shifted gears and how the handling kept the body from moving around corners. We thought the Cruiser would be more comfortable, but the ride is stiffer than we thought it would be, especially on the extra 20-inch wheels. As of now, we've only tried a 2023 QX60 with a V6 engine from this generation. A solid 6.2-second time to 60 mph was achieved. We need to test a QX60 to find out if the 2025 with the turbo four-cylinder engine is a little slower. Interior. The QX60 has 3 rows of seats so it can fit up to 7 people. However, the top-of-the-line autograph model has captain's chairs in the second row, which limits the number of seats to 6. The fancy home looks real, with high-end materials used all over and extra soundproofing to make you feel more at ease from the outside world. The front seats in both cars can be heated and adjusted in 8 different ways. As extras, Infiniti also offers front seats that vent air, massage functions, and heated back seats. Standard features also include automatic climate control for 2 zones. For better trim levels, you can order a 3-zone system with an air purifier. The QX60 comes with a 12.3-inch tablet infotainment system that works with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can choose not to have an extra 12.3-inch digital gauge display or a 10.8-inch head-up display. All QX60s also have Wi-Fi built in. People can also buy a premium 17-speaker Bose stereo system.